Good afternoon, good morning, good night. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brandon and this is Mark's Modified. Today, I'm gonna tell you how to disable your two-tone exhaust on your 6th gen Camaro SS. So, right here, I have a button that changes all my different modes. You can see up here. It also changes the exhaust and suspension and all that good stuff. Well, you can change, of course, your exhaust in here if you want to. If you go to driving mode, engine sound management, and you have your different mode selectors right here. Well, Chevy still has the valves closed in the exhaust at a certain RPM. Well, if you don't want that to happen, all you have to do is do this one mod, which is remove a fuse, and the valves stay open all the time. You don't have to touch anything here, and you don't have to touch anything up there. So, to do this, all you have to do is first shut off your car. Make sure it's in park, put it in gear, or just leave it in park if that's what you'd like. Pop the hood up here. If I can get it, there we go. And your fuse box should be right here. Just remove it real quick. There you go. Now if you look on here, I don't know if you can exactly read this, but it should say exhaust valve right here, F51, which is this guy right here, the little blue 15, if it focuses, that little blue 15. Well, Chevy's nice enough where they give this little pick right here, and all you have to do is pull it out, drop it, put this back, and put this in a safe place. If you think you're going to take it out more than once and put it back in, I recommend leaving it right there. Doesn't go anywhere, and that's deep enough where it just sits there. Perfect. All right. Well, for now, I'm gonna put it back in because I do like having the active sound management. So just pop it right back in, and it's back to normal. And then, of course, do that, and boom. Of course, it's not an exhaust video if I don't put any sound clips at the end of this video. So here you go. Here's the before with the valves closed. And here's the before with the valves open. And here's the after you remove that fuse and the valves are always open. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, I hope you liked the video and subscribe. That helps with my channel. Also, sharing with a friend or any other way to get my channel out in public is really helping my channel, helping me grow, helping me want to make more videos for you guys. But anyway, even if you don't do that, I still hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.